Hey, Tim again. Man, I ain't done a video in a while, so forgive me if I ain't perfect, which I never claimed they were. But last one was about getting off track and not fucking getting off track and not doing my thing because distractions and all this stuff and getting off track of bettering myself. Well, I want to talk to you. I got back on track. I haven't been recording, but I've been working out, reading, and all that stuff, trying to better myself. And it was I want to talk about a video I did before about freedom, and most people don't even know what freedom is, even though they're all, yeah, happy Independence Day. I mean, they just don't even know what independence is. And I said it was your time, your energy, and your money, which it is. And I've been living by that and trying to get things going better for myself, bettering myself. The thing I forgot, well, doing all that stuff felt great, but it seemed like my mind was still cluttered. So I've been reading things, and it's really cleared my mind. I mean, the thing that's bad is your emotions. You need to control your emotions, because if you're living by your emotions, you get mad and you're out of control. You don't understand what you're doing and what you're saying as much. Where if you step back and look at yourself when you're feeling mad or sad, or you got bad memories, and study it, it's more information, and you aren't following your feelings and jumping out of line and lashing out at people and arguing and stupid things like that. I mean, this has helped me out like crazy. Because I mean, you ever like wake up in the middle of the night and your mind starts racing, and you're wide awake and you can't go back to sleep. It's hard to go back to sleep. So when you're taking your mind out and not giving, like, okay, I say I got a bad memory that keeps popping in my head, recognize it and let it go. Pretty soon well, now it's supposedly going to go all the way away, but now when it hits me, it don't come over me, and I don't say, oh man, I should have done this, should have done that. I just think about it for a second and let it go and start thinking about other things, putting other things in your head. Now, the biggest thing was action. The dang action. Action is law, man. My brother-in-law was out about a week or so ago, and he says, I asked him, I said, so what you been doing? What you been getting done? He's like, man, I just ain't had no ambition. I ain't felt like going anywhere or doing anything. And I told him, I said, Bo, I said, you dang, discomfort is what keeps you going. I said, take a minute, and next time you think of doing something, whatever it is, work on your generator or whatever it is he's been doing, stop and think about that, and your mind, and it don't take but a second. Watch your mind try to talk your ass out of it. It tries to make you go the easiest path, and it'll talk you right out of it. Nice. All it does is damn sit there and mention it or talk about, in your head. You just think of a million ways to get out of doing that thing, because your mind's trying to go the simplest way possible. So when you get a thought of, man, I ought to do this or that, do it. Get on it. Start doing it. If you go right on and just go after it, and you get a lot more done. Because trust me, there's been times I've wandered around, yeah, I need to work on this, I need to clean this up and do this, that, there, and the other, and I end up doing nothing, wandering around all the time. Since I started saying action is law, my ass has been getting a lot more done. I mean, I'm getting stuff cleaned up, I'm getting things organized, and like I say, and like working out and all that stuff, it comes a lot easier, because discipline is not the whole thing. Discipline is just the start of it. Once you get the discipline to start things like that, you'll be it'll become habit. You'll just start doing it. Because like in the mornings, I'll be doing my stuff, you know, tidying up stuff, getting, you know, making sure bed's made and all that stuff, and then, you know, get my dogs fed and all that crap. But I'll go over and pick up my weights, work them suckers out. Then I'll go do some other things, and I'll come back and I'll hit them. Like, and it ain't even like I'm going, oh, I need to get over there and do that. I need to go over there and do that. It just starts happening, and you start reacting. It's discomfort, man. Your mind is just seeks discomfort. So that's the other part of your freedom, man. It's like, don't go in debt. Try to get out of, you know, try to make money different ways, different incomes. Try not to rely on the man so much, and then get your mind straight. So it's your time, it's your energy, it's your money, and it's your mind. And I think your mind should come first, because like I say, it's so much clearer, and things are so much easier and cleaner. I mean, if you just take a second when you feel these feelings come over, and learn from them. Think about, what the hell is it coming from? What's causing it? And that feeling will go away in your body. And like when you want to take action to do something, don't think about it. Just jump on it and do it. Now, I don't know if anybody's checking out that ebook down below. It's free. That'll get you going on something, because like I say, you need you need to be working on your own things, or somebody will hire you to work on theirs. I mean, it's just, you want freedom, man. You don't want to, yeah, the shiny car's nice, Bo, but I don't know. I just don't understand that. Like, share, subscribe. I may be slow on the upswing, but I never had no guidance, man. I'm down 61 now. Yeah, I didn't go in debt. I knew that part, but I should have been building myself, building my body and my mind, and it's just great. I love it. It's just a high you can't get off anything else, and I don't give a damn. So think and move, think and get a hold of yourself. I'll try to keep making more videos. I fell off on that too, but like I say, I ain't trying to make no dang money at this. I just want some people to see this before they work their whole lives, retire, and say, damn, I don't know what to do, man. I ain't got no hobbies. I don't do nothing. Blah, 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 blah. Anyway, that's about it. Peace out.
Most people aren't stuck because of money. They're stuck because their routine is a prison. Wake up, work, cook, clean, scroll, sleep, repeat. That's not a life, that's a cycle. And the cycle is what's keeping you broke, inspired, and drained. People think they hate their jobs, but what they really hate is their days all look the same, and their future looks exactly like their present. But watch what happens when you start moving with intention. Instead of numbing out on TV, you spend 30 minutes on your dream. Instead of buying another $200 thing, you put $200 into investments. Instead of working to survive, you start building to escape. At first, it's quiet. You feel crazy for trying, but that's how momentum starts. Small shifts compound into meaning. Meaning turns into freedom. And one day you wake up and your days look nothing like they used to. You're not rushing, you have time. You're not stressed, you have peace. You're not trapped, you have choices. Cycles will keep you stuck. Staircases that you build will set you free.